Alright guys, Chris over at Parkside here again. So on the last video I showed you guys how to set up your Bluetooth on the LXS K5. Now one of the cool features about the LX and the LXS trim levels in the K5 is that you have wireless CarPlay and Android Auto. So after you set up and connect your Bluetooth, it's going to prompt you to say if you would like, tell you that it's going to support Apple CarPlay and would like to know if you'd like to connect. So you're going to select yes, hit next, then okay. Give it a few seconds. Now you have wireless CarPlay and it's all over Bluetooth. So you'll be able to use your navigation, Apple Music, Spotify, also make calls, all from your infotainment system with no cord.